next one I've been working on now for about 3 weeks. Just 3 weeks. Very difficult one. And the reason why it is so difficult, because I need that gentleman with the orange folder. Come on down. You're the next contestant at the Pistol Pack and Paula show. Don't worry, you're not going to win a horse carriage. How you doing? What's your name? Michael. Everybody say howdy, Michael. Howdy, Michael. Everybody say adios, Michael. Because I'm going to whip you. Okay, Michael. Now, Michael, you have 2 things you have to do in the show. Do you know what they are? One of them, first of all, is you need to be on this side of me. You know why? Because it wouldn't be right. Okay, thank you. There we go. Dude, Mike, you're going to take this target and you're going to put it in your mouth. They're loving it over there, Mike. No, I just wanted to see the look on his face. Now, what I'm going to do, Mike, first of all, you have 2 things. One is remain perfectly still. Can you do that? And the other is control your bladder. You can do that? Good. Do you have a spare pair? No? You could be in trouble. No, Mike, what you're going to do is you're going to take this target in your hand. Come over here, just right up the swivel. Okay, stand right there. Put your arm out. Face square off to the crowd. Square off to the crowd. There you go. And bring the arm out here. Bring it right about here. Now, on the serious side, folks, what you're going to hear is 3 cracks. The first 2 cracks guide me to this target. Okay? The third crack will cut the target along Mike's arm. Don't worry, Mike. You got another one on the other side. Have faith. Have faith, Mike. Okay, Mike, remember these go about 750 miles per hour, can take a part of your earlobe. Are you still interested? Good, you have no choice. But Mike, don't worry, I just need to warm up just a tad bit more, okay? Woo, I'm warmed up, how about you? You're warm as good as you be, okay, right there, Mike. Mike, that's everything. Are you ready out there, folks? Yeah! Okay, here we go! Mike, you know what we call that? We call that a close shave. But it didn't hurt you. There we go. Hey, give him a big hand. Woo! Okay, now that I did some target hitting, now it's time to do some fancy bullwhip work. I'm going to get these bullwhips out like so. And can you hit that music for me, please? I appreciate that. I'll do some fancy work. You want to see some fancy cracking? Okay. And what I need from you out there is a big yee-haw! Yee-haw! Because here I go, yee-haw!